Very good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss compound angles. So last class in competitive we completed trigonometry first concept. So next continuation 15.2 page number 15.2 page number 301. 15.2 page number 301. Compound angles. So in that one small synopsis, note down. Small synopsis. First one. So you know that compound angles means I was given sum or difference of the angles. Sin x plus y, cos x plus y, sin x minus y, cos x minus y, tan x plus y, tan x minus y, cot x plus y, cot x minus y. All formulas given. So some applications also given. Sin of a plus b, sin of a minus b. It is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. Next, second one, cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b. It is equal to cos square a minus sin square b. Next, fourth one, tan of 5/4 plus a. It can be written as 1 minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. Next, this is also can be written as cos a plus sin a divided by cos a minus sin a. The same formula can be written as tan of 5/4 plus a means you apply tan x plus y formula and you get this one. So this is also can be written as like that. So same one you can be written as fifth one, tan of 5/4 minus a. It can be written as 1 minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan a. So it is equal to cos a minus sin a. It is divided by cos a plus sin a. Cos a plus sin a. Remember this formulas. So after that we have sin x plus y formula. You know that. So in that definitions and formulas, these all points given, you have to read that one. After that I will explain tan a plus b plus c formula. Sixth one, tan of a plus b plus c formula. You see tan of a plus b plus c formula, tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a into tan b into tan c minus tan a into tan b into tan c divided by 1 minus tan a tan b minus tan b tan c minus tan a tan c. Same like that, cot of a plus b plus c formula also you can write. Cot of a plus b plus c formula also you write. Cot of a plus b plus c, it is equal to cot a cot b plus cot b plus cot c minus cot a cot b cot c whole divided by 1 minus cot A cot B minus cot B cot C minus cot A cot C. That is all. So after that you see table values: sin 15 degrees, sin 22.5 degrees, sin 67.5 degrees, sin 15 degrees. That table also you read. So after the table, some fixed points you note down. After the table, first point, tips and tricks. Tips and tricks. Tips and tricks. First point in that one, sin 15 degrees plus cos 15 degrees. It is simplified. We are getting root 3 divided by root 3 divided by root 2 we are getting. Second point, cos 75 degrees plus sin 75 degrees, it is equal to, this is also simplified, root 3 by root. Next, third one, cos 15 degrees minus sin 15 degrees. So this is simplified, we are getting 1 by root. This is simplified, we are getting 1 by root. Next, fourth point. So fourth point, sin 75 degrees minus cos 75 degrees, it is equal to, this value also we are getting 1 by root. See, I will show you one simplification. So first simplification, you see, sin 15 degrees. Sin 15 degrees plus cos 15 degrees. See that simplification. Sin 15 degrees value how much? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root plus cos 15 degrees value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root. Root 3 plus 1 by 2. Now you do simplification. LCM you take. What is LCM? 2 root. Next, root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So what is remaining? 2 into root 3 divided by 2 into root. So 2 to get cancelled. Remaining root 3 divided by root. Root 3 divided by root. That is what final answer. So like that you have to simplify remaining 4. Remaining 4 you have to simplify like that. So next point. Next point. Next point. Fifth point. Cot 15 degrees. Cot 15 degrees minus tan 15 degrees. It is equal to. It is equal to 2 root. It is equal to 2 root. Sixth one. Tan 75 degrees minus cot 75 degrees, it is equal to 2 root 3. It is equal to 2 root. So next point, seventh point. So what is given? Sine of 105 degrees, it is equal to cos 15 degrees. It is equal to cos 15 degrees. These both values are same. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So next one, eighth one. Eighth formula, what is that? Cos 105 degrees equal to. So what is that value? Sin 15 degrees. Sin 15 degrees value root 3 minus 1 by 2. So next one, ninth one, tan 105 degrees equal to minus cot 15 degrees. So this is minus 2 minus root 3. This is minus 2 minus root 3. Again, cot 105 degrees equal to how much? That value equal to minus tan 15 degrees. So this value should be root 3 minus 2. This value should be root 3 minus 2. So 11th one. So these are fixed values. 11th one. If tan alpha equal to m divided by m plus 1, comma, tan beta equal to 1 divided by, so 2m plus 1. So this one we did, then we are getting tan alpha plus beta is equal to 1 only. So using these two, tan alpha to tan alpha, tan alpha to tan beta, simplified tan alpha plus beta, we are getting that the summation should be 1 only. So next point in that, if tan alpha equal to m plus 1 divided by m, comma, tan beta is equal to 1 by 2m plus 1, then tan alpha minus beta is equal to 1. Tan alpha minus beta is equal to 1. So next point, 41. Cos theta minus cos theta 60 plus theta minus cos 60 degrees minus theta, the whole summation should be 0. Next point, cos theta plus cos 120 degrees plus theta plus cos 120 degrees minus theta, it is equal to 0. Next 15th one, cos theta plus cos 240 degrees plus theta, next plus cos 240 degrees minus theta, this is also summation should be 0. You have to read all the points carefully. So 16th one, sin theta minus sin 60 degrees minus plus theta plus sin 16 degrees minus theta, it is equal to 0 only. Next 17th point, sin theta plus sin 120 degrees plus theta, sin 120 degrees minus theta, it is equal to 0. Same like that, sin theta plus sin 240 degrees plus sin 240 degrees minus theta, that summation should be 0. Remember all these points. You are reading all the points, then simplification problems simplification is very easy. Simplification should be easy. So another one is most important point also is there. No doubt that. Note down that. 18th one. So what is given? If A plus B equal to 45 degrees, then 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B, it is equal to, this proof already done. In that vary. So on that related 19th one, if a plus b is equal to 135 degrees, then 1 plus 1 minus tan a, 1 minus tan a, 1 minus tan b, it is equal to 2. Next point number 20, if a plus b is equal to 225, if a plus b is equal to 225, then 1 plus tan a, 1 plus tan b, it is equal to 2. So similarly 21, if a plus b is equal to 45 degrees, then 1 plus cot a into 1 plus cot b, it is also equal to 1 plus cot a, 1 plus cot a, 1 minus cot a, 1 minus cot b, 1 minus cot b, 1 minus cot b, 1 minus cot a, that product should be 1. Next one, 22, if a plus b is 45 degrees, it is equal to 135 degrees, it is equal to 135 degrees, then 1 plus cot a, 1 plus cot a, 1 plus cot b, it is equal to, so next to 23, if a plus b is equal to 225 degrees, then 1 plus cot a, 1 plus cot b divided by cot a, cot b, it is equal to 2, 1. It is equal to 2, 1. Next point, 24, tan of 45 plus theta, tan of 45 degrees minus theta, so the value should be 1 only. Next one is 25, so cot of 45 plus theta, cot of 45 minus theta, the value should be 1. And remember all these points. Okay, now next we will solve the problems. So note down all the points and before doing these problems. So if you know this, you can solve these trigonometric problems very easily. Remember this and read all the points. So next we will start problems. Exercise 1. Exercise 1. So already you know that first one. Exercise 1. First problem is what? Tan 15 degrees, tan 75 degrees. Tan 75 degrees. Tan 15 degrees value how much? 2 minus 2. Tan 75 degrees value is what? 2 plus root. So simplification ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ answer 4. Answer is 4. So next second one, cosecant 15 degrees. Cosecant 15 degrees plus secant 15 degrees. Secant 15 degrees. Cosecant 15 degrees is what? So cosecant 15 degrees is nothing but 1 by sin 15 degrees. 1 by sin 15 degrees square plus 1 by cos 15 degrees. So 1 by sin means what is the value? 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1 plus. So again cos 15 degrees value is what? 2 root 2 divided by root 3 plus 1. root 3 plus 1. So in the numerator what value common? 2 root 2 is common. 1 by root 3 minus 1 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Again you do simplification. 2 root 2. So LCM root 3 whole square minus 1 square. So this LCM is root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1 means root 3 whole square minus 1 square. Again cross multiplication. Root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 minus 1. Again plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. What is remaining? So 2 root 2 into, in the numerator, 2 root 3 divided by 2. 2 will get cancelled. So what is the answer? 2 into root 6. 2 into root 6 is the answer. 2 into root 6 is the answer. Next question number 3. You try that. Question number 3. You try that. What is the formula? Cos square 52 and half minus sin square 52 and half. You apply this formula. So cos square A minus sin square B, it is equal to cos A plus B cos A minus B. You apply this formula. Next same. Fourth one also same formula. Apply same above formula. So you apply, will get the solution. So done fast. Next one. Fifth one is in harmonic progression, that is a sequence and a series problem. You will use that one. Next question number 6. Cos alpha sin beta minus alpha plus cos beta sin of gamma minus alpha plus cos gamma sin of alpha minus beta. So alpha minus beta. So you know these all formulas. So you know that sin beta minus alpha formula. So sin gamma minus alpha value and sin alpha minus beta. Okay na? Then you expand the formula and then multiply with cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. That is also one procedure. Okay na? I will do simple trick here. So I will bring out alpha outside. This beta minus alpha also bring outside. So without sin cos, so you bring all values outside. What happens? Without sin cos, only angles bring outside. What happens? Alpha beta, alpha square, alpha beta. So beta gamma, sorry. Beta gamma. Gamma alpha, beta gamma, alpha beta, alpha gamma, gamma beta. So you see alpha beta cancel. Alpha gamma, beta gamma, beta. So answer will be 0. Note down fast. Answer will be 0. Answer will be 0. Note down fast. Next question. 7th one. You take 5x equal to 2x plus 3x, taking tan on both sides. So what happens? Tan 5x equal to tan 2x plus 3x. 2x plus 3x. Then you simplify, will get the solution. So simplified, what we are getting the solution? Tan 5x minus tan 3x minus tan 2x. This model problem already explained. So tan 5x minus tan 3x minus tan 2x equal to tan 5x tan 3x into tan 2x. That is our solution. Note down fast. Next question, 8th question you have to do. So the value of tan 40 plus tan 11. So plus tan 20 minus tan 56 plus. So this question you have to try that. So later 9th one. Tan 80 degrees minus tan 10 degrees divided by tan 70 degrees. So how much the value? So here I will consider tan 80 minus 10. 70 degrees, it is equal to tan 80 minus 10. So you consider like this. So you consider this value tan 70. Tan 70 can be written as tan 80 minus 10. So you apply tan A minus B formula. So tan 80 minus tan 10 degrees divided by 1 plus tan 80 tan 10 degrees. So it is equal to tan 70 degrees. So tan 70 degrees, it is equal to tan 80 minus tan 10 degrees divided by 1 plus tan 80 degrees can be written as tan 80 degrees equal to cot 10 degrees into tan 10 degrees. So here tan 80 degrees equal to tan of 90 degrees minus 10. So simplified, we are getting cot 10 degrees. So write outside value. So cot 10 or tan 10 is value 1. So this value tan 80 minus tan 10 degrees divided by 1 plus 1. It is equal to tan 70. So cross multiply, we will get that. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is equal to tan 80 minus tan 10 degrees divided by tan 70 degrees. So 2 is the answer. Important question. 2 is the answer. Next one, 10th one, cos 13 degrees minus sin 13 degrees divided by cos 13 degrees plus sin 13 degrees. In tips, in that synopsis I was given one formula. Cos A minus sin A divided by cos A plus sin A. So here A is equal to what? 13 degrees. So here minus is there, formula what happens? Tan 45 minus 13. Tan 45 minus 13 you take. 45 minus 13 means what? Tan, how much that value? 232. 32 degrees. Tan 32 degrees. So this value is 32 tan 32 degrees. Again 1 by so again what given here? So 1 by cot 148 degrees given. So 1 by cot means tan 148 degrees. 148 degrees. So what is the answer? 148 degrees. Now these two are added. Tan 32 degrees plus tan 148 degrees. This value should be 1. This value should be 0. Why? So 148 plus 32 is equal to 180 degrees. So tan 180 degrees value should be 0. So these two angles sum should be 180 means the whole sum should be 0 only. The whole sum should be 0 only. Next you see question number 11. Question number 11 you see all of you. Question number 11. Sine square alpha plus cos square alpha plus beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta 2 sin alpha sin beta cos alpha plus beta. You see here sin square alpha plus these two terms, what value common? Cos alpha plus beta is common. Then what is remaining? Cos alpha plus beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. Sin alpha sin beta. Again sin square alpha cos alpha plus beta. Then you expand this, what happens? Now you expand this one, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. So these two are separated. 2 sin alpha sin beta subtracted. What is remaining here? Sin alpha sin beta is remaining. So again you apply formula cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. These two are simplified. So what is that formula? Sin square alpha cos alpha plus beta. This is cos alpha minus beta. So the bracket value is simplified. So cos alpha plus beta, cos alpha minus beta means in synapses given points. So sin square alpha plus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, sin square beta. Understand this one? So that is remaining. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1 minus sin square beta. 1 minus sin square beta means cos square beta. Cos square beta is your answer. So here subtracted this value is plus sin alpha sin beta. So that summation should be cos alpha plus beta, cos alpha minus beta. So cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta formula is what? Cos square alpha minus sin square beta. So sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1 minus 1 minus a sin square beta means cos square beta. Note down fast. 13th one is a simple problem. You try that. 13th one. Next question. 13th one. 12th one you do. 13th one. What is given? 13th one? Cot alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Cot alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Then sin of alpha plus 2 beta is equal to what? Then what is the value of cot of alpha plus beta? Means alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. Alpha plus beta is equal to cot simplification. You see, cot of alpha plus beta 0 can be written as cot pi by 2. So alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2. Alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2. Then, so coming to this point, sin alpha plus 2 beta, it can be written as sin alpha plus beta you can write. Sin alpha plus beta 2 beta can be written as. Already we know that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2. Sin of pi by 2 plus beta. Pi by 2 plus beta means what? It is belongs to second quadrant. What happens? Cos beta. Cos beta is your solution. Cos beta is your solution. Cos beta is there. Cos beta is not there. So cos of beta can be written as pi by 2 minus alpha. So pi by 2 minus alpha. What happens? This is sin alpha. Sin alpha is there in that. Sin alpha is there. So that is your answer. Very simple question. Next one, very important question. The number of all possible integral values of n greater than 2. How many possible values are satisfied by the given equation? So what is that? Sin pi by 2n plus cos pi by 2n. It is equal to root n divided by 2. It is satisfied by n greater than 2. N greater than 2 means I will take n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5, 6, 7, n is equal to 8. You see, first n is equal to 3, substitute, what happens? You take some values. So sin pi by 2 into 3, 6, cos pi by 6. So how much this value? Root 3 by 2. Sin pi by 6 value what? 1 by 2. Cos pi by 6 value is what? Root 3 by 2. So not satisfied. So 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. It is not equal to root 3 by 2. So n is not satisfied. N is equal to 3 is not satisfied. So like that you have to proceed. N is equal to 4. So sin pi by 2 into 4, 8 plus cos pi by 8. It is equal to root 4 means 2. 2 by root 4 by 2. So sin pi by 8 value what? 22.5 degrees. So cos pi by 2 pi by 8, it is equal to, it is a simplified what we are getting 1. So this value root 4 means 2, 2 by 2 means 1. The summation should be 1. We are not getting 1. So wrong. This is also 1. Sin 22.5 degrees value plus cos 22.5 degrees value compulsory not equal to 1. You see values table and simplification you do. We are not getting 1. Next n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5 means sin pi by 10. So this is also wrong. Sin pi by 10 cos pi by 10 it is equal to root 5 by 2. So pi by 10 means what? Sin 18 degrees value. Sin 18 degrees value is what? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 18 degrees value is what? Root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. So again both are added, what we are getting root 5 by, so it is satisfied, their addition unit we are getting the same answer. So n is equal to 6 also satisfies, n is equal to 8 also satisfied, n is equal to 8 fails. N is equal to 8 fails. So number of solutions will be number of solutions equal to 3 only. So n is equal to 5, n is equal to 6, n is equal to 7. So where again fails, you stop there only. So these are only number of solutions means 3 solutions. It is a satisfied bar. So next point, 15th one, simple question you try that. So next 16th one, tan pi by 4 plus theta plus tan pi by 4 minus theta, it is equal to 3. So what value we are going to simplify? Tan square. So squaring on both sides will get the solution. Squaring on both sides. So tan pi by 4 plus theta plus tan pi by 4 minus theta whole square, it is equal to 9. 3 square means, so tan square pi by 4 plus theta plus tan square pi by 4 minus theta plus 2 into tan pi by 4 minus theta, tan pi by 4 plus theta, it is equal to 9. So already what is the required value? This one. What is the required value? That one. So tan pi by 4 plus theta, tan pi by 4 minus theta, that value should be 1. You know that already, tips and tricks. So 2 into 1 is 2. So it is equal to 9 minus 2. How much that value? 7. So this value, tan square pi by 4 plus theta, tan square pi by 4 minus theta. So it is equal to 7 answer. It is equal to 7. Note down fast. Next same 17th one also same like that one. So cubing on both sides. So same take 17th one, cubing on both sides, will get the solution. Next 18th one. 18th one you see. 18th question. Question number 18. So what is given? Tan 20 degrees, it is equal to P. So what happens? Tan 160 degrees minus tan 110 degrees divided by 1 plus tan 160 degrees tan 110 degrees. So it is the form of tan A minus B formula, 160 minus 110. So what happens, that is tan 50 degrees. So tan 50 degrees, it can be written as cot 40 degrees. Tan 15 degrees, it is equal to cot 15 degrees. So 90 minus 50. So tan of 90 minus 40 means what is that value? Cot 40. So cot 40 can be written as cot of 1 by tan 2 into 20 degrees. 2 into 20 degrees. So you apply tan 2 theta formula. So tan 2 theta formula is what? Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta. So 1 by means you write reverse. Theta is equal to what? 20 degrees. So 1 minus tan square 20 degrees divided by, so 2 tan 20 degrees. 2 tan 20 degrees. 1 minus tan square 20 degrees means P square divided by 2. Divided by 2 using this formula. Using that formula. Note down fast. Next one. Next one. 19th one. So 19th one. Tan theta is equal cos 25. Cos 25 plus sin 25 divided by cos 25 minus sin 25. So answer will be tan of 45 plus 25. So that is your answer. How much you are getting? Tan 70 degrees. So they are telling that theta value should be lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant allied angles is what? In third quadrant allied angles is what? 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. You can use any one. So tan of 180 degrees plus 70. How much you are getting? How much you are getting? 250. That is 250 you are getting. 250 you are getting. So that is your answer. Next question number 20. Already synopsis ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. Okay na? Already synopsis 20, 21, 22 and 23 you see. 20, 21, 22 synopsis already ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. 23 you see. 23. You see 23. 1 plus tan alpha 1 plus tan 4 alpha it is equal to 2. It is equal to 2. So then multiply these two. 1 into means 1 plus tan 4 alpha plus tan alpha plus tan alpha into tan 4 alpha. It is equal to 2. So 1 is subtracted. So 1 write RHS said what happens? 2 minus 1. So tan alpha plus tan 4 alpha plus tan alpha tan 4 alpha it is equal to 2 minus 1. So again tan alpha plus tan beta tan 4 alpha it is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 minus tan alpha tan 4 alpha. See tan alpha plus tan 4 alpha divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan 4 alpha it is equal to 1. So this one what? Tan A plus B formula na. So tan alpha plus 4 alpha it is equal to 1 can be written as tan 5 by 4. So both sides tan will be cancelled. So 5 alpha equal to 5 by 4. Alpha is equal to 5 by 20. Alpha is equal to 5 by 20 is your answer. 5 by 20 is your answer. Note down fast. Note down fast. Next you try that 24, 25. You try those questions. Next 26 you see. 26 you see. 26, 26, 26. So what is given? 26 cos alpha plus beta is equal to 3/5. Next one, sin alpha minus beta is equal to sin alpha minus beta is equal to, so what is given? 5/30. 5/30 means alpha comma beta lies in 5/4. So alpha and beta lies in first quadrant only. So their summation should be, or difference should be in between 5/4 only. So alpha and beta lies in first quadrant. First quadrant means all trigonometric functions are positive, right? Now what value we are going to simplify? Tan 2 alpha. Tan 2 alpha. So tan 2 alpha can be written as tan alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta. So 2 alpha can be written as alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta. Now apply, this is x, this is y, tan x plus y formula now. So tan x means alpha plus beta plus tan alpha minus beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. So see this. So cos alpha plus beta is equal to, means you take two triangles, alpha plus beta. So this is 3, this is 5, this is 4. So from this rectangle triangle you write tan alpha plus beta. Another one is alpha minus beta. You take one right angle triangle. So this is 5, this is 13, this is 12. So in this first triangle, alpha plus beta, tan alpha plus beta value you are taking that first one. So 4/3 plus tan alpha minus beta 5/12 divided by 1 minus 4/3 into 5/12. Now 12 into 3 36. Next 5 into 4 48. So 5 into 3 15 divided by 36 minus 20 divided by 36 will be cancelled. Next 48 plus 15 means 58 63 divided by 16. 63/16 is the answer. That is your answer. Like that you do 27, 28. So remaining questions we will discuss in next class. And up to you have to practice how many questions? Up to you have to practice 30 questions. So 30 questions you have to practice. In between I left some questions. Remaining questions we will discuss in next class. So for this test we have total compound angles. Total compound angles, how many formulas, how many problems are there? Total compound angles, total 60 questions are there. That is our syllabus. That is our syllabus. Okay na? Total 60 questions. That is our syllabus. Today we discussed some questions. Remaining questions you have to practice. So next 31 to later I will explain. Tomorrow's class I will explain. Okay. Thank you everyone. So practice well. Practice well. Thank you all.